Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel-style intro. First, you'll need to gather a substantial collection of comic book images or screenshots. For an 8-second intro, aim for at least 100 distinct images. It's helpful if these images have bright, central objects, as this helps guide the viewer's attention through the rapid-fire sequence. You can find many suitable royalty-free images on websites like Pixabay to start your collection. Once you have your images, the next step is to animate the iconic comic book flip. You'll want each image to display for a very brief period, typically 2 to 4 frames. Apply a stack or match and move transition between each image, setting the duration to about 0.4 seconds for a quick, seamless flip. Experiment with blend modes, such as multiply, to create depth and integrate your images smoothly. Now, let's add the crucial text and effects. Create your title using a bold font, such as Babaz New or the classic Marvel font. Animate the text with keyframes for scaling, rotation, and opacity to achieve that dynamic reveal. Don't forget to add cinematic bars at the top and bottom of your video for that authentic movie feel. Finally, enhance the experience with sound effects, including page flips and powerful background music. For software, popular choices include After Effects, Premiere Pro, Filmora, or even Canva for simpler versions. For advanced three-dimensional text effects, consider plugins like Element 3D. To refine your intro, adjust color grading, add subtle glows, and apply a touch of film grain for a truly cinematic finish. Always export your final creation in a high resolution, like 4K, to ensure it looks crisp and professional on any screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.